Hi, I'm hearing something or some situation is ending in your life. Probably you will be experiencing that there was someone you were interested in, probably, and you were seeing that, you know, you are feeling that that thing is not really working out for you, and you are moving. Universe is basically taking someone out from your life or some situation out. So right now it might be little painful. Maybe you are feeling like you know the pain and the pain that you are feeling experiencing right now is of the ace of wands. So whenever a tree has to grow and it has to come out of the soil, you will there is some change, right? And that change is painful. So you are being asked to endure that pain and do the necessary steps, and this will lead you right now, if you take the right steps, to the nine of wands. You can see this movement from the ace of wands to the nine of wands. So if you are feeling that there was someone who you were really deeply invested in, you thought that you'll have a future with, and then you are feeling like things might not work out because they are not responding back how you thought they would, or there is some dilemma related to this. So if there is something feeling confusing, and if you know that it is not going to work out, it is for your highest good. And maybe right now it feels very tough for you. Maybe right now you don't feel like coming out of the bed. Maybe right now you think that it's very difficult for you even to go with your regular days. So I understand, I completely understand the pain that you can feel right now, and it is definitely very painful. But trust me, this pain is happening because you had associated that person. Just one second. Sorry, I said nine of. This is the nine of pentacles. It's for stability, financial independence. This woman, you can see, has her garden filled with flowers because of financial independence, emotional independence, and a lot of independence in her life, right? So I'm telling you, in this video I'm going to tell you what you should be doing to acknowledge and move on from this phase. I know you have made a decision to move on. Okay, you have understood that you need to take things you need to take steps differently, and the universe wants me, I'm just channeling your messages because universe wants me to guide you to ease this process and to help you move forward. Now what I'm seeing is you were really attached to this person, and things did not exactly work out the way you thought it would. So now I'm going to tell you what you should be doing to get back to your normal state of life. See, again the moon has come. The moon is clearly showing that right now the kind of tensions that you're facing are the fears. It's a fear of the future, it's the fear of rejection, it's the fear of being alone, or not meeting someone, or not having the right opportunity, or not getting what you always thought that you deserved, right? So universe is asking you to let go of that fear. Keep your fear away. How would you do that? By consciously thinking the right thoughts and consciously manifesting what you want. So if you don't want to be left alone or not have somebody to love you or something like that, then what you should do is you should start practicing self love, and you should understand that this completion of the cycle, with the end of the bottom of the card is the world card. The completion of this cycle was very very important, so that you get to connect with your own power. Now you have so much power within you, you can only connect with it. I saw 333 in my phone, because 333 is an angel number, so probably you are also seeing angel numbers. So the only way you can connect with your own self is to have faith in yourself. I'll tell you that you should practice affirmations. Write down all your fears in one side of a paper, like I'm not worthy, I'm not loved, I don't matter, things, only bad things happen to me, whatever I want never works out for me, the person I love doesn't love me. All the negative thought patterns that you have, write it down, and opposite to that, write down all the thought patterns that are the correct, that are good for you. Like, the person I love loves me more, I am loved, I am powerful, I am beautiful, I am enough, I am always taken care of by universe, things are always working out for me in my favor. So write all the thoughts that are positive, then take the side which is not working, which is the negative patterns that you have, and burn it. And it is an excellent time to do it, and then manifest what you want to manifest. The new moon is extremely extremely powerful for you to bring new energy into your life. So you have to let go of the old version of you which was holding you back. And now I'll tell you what all you should do. What can you do to connect back with yourself? Page of Cups. What can you do to connect back with yourself? The Knight of Wands. This card is so beautiful, and see, you can see a pattern here. What can you do to connect back with yourself? And the Three of Swords. Okay, um all right, so this is going to be a dark video now. What can you do to connect back with yourself? First, with the page of cups, it means that you should connect with your inner child. You know, the inner child that you have, it's extremely happy. Okay, so um, only thing that stops you from enjoying life is extra patterns and extra baggages that you put on yourself, like what would others think, and planning and procrastination about any xyz reason you give yourself, right? So you are being asked with the page of cups to bring that childlike self alive, to bring that inner child alive. Do those things that you used to like to do, like go to places, new places. Okay, take yourself out of the bed. Don't keep yourself stuck. Go to new places, go near mountains, go near the water. Take your time to enjoy those things. Take a good shower and plan. If you're not currently going, then plan where all you want to go. Take your mind out of that space, and then it's extremely crucial to give yourself the love and give yourself the love that you deserve. You know, the three of swords is showing that you have to heal your heart, because if you don't heal your heart, then your vibration becomes low. So when you have a low vibration, things do not manifest for you in the same energy in which generally it can manifest, right? So you'll have to keep your energy up. And what is this situation trying to teach you? What is this situation trying to teach you? The situation is trying to teach you that, you know, blindly following something or some situation is not good for you. You should always keep yourself as the priority, and then you should make your decisions. Your decisions should not be based on just imagination of the future. And then, you know, the three of wands is showing, like, you know, you should not be just living in that living in the mode. Just one second. The three of wands is saying that you should not be living only in the future, and you should be in the present. You should be in the right now. And the eight of pentacles is saying that daily routine. And the emperor, see, the emperor has come. The emperor is it's a card for structure. So you are being asked to make structured routines. Okay, it doesn't matter how you're feeling, the structured routines is very, very important. Wake up at a particular time, make a schedule for yourself, and get out of the bed. Do the things like, you know, light walk. And grounding is very important for you. See, the four of pentacles or the four of the emperor card is also number 4 represents stability. So what you need is a stability within yourself, within your life. And when you want stability in yourself, what is important is a routine. So 4 number indicates stability. So make yourself the self, the peace, the emotional safety space, the safe space. So you are craving for a safe space, and all your fears are related to in the future, what if you don't have the safe space. So I see that you will be definitely moving into a very enormously powerful era, where you will be making a lot of money, a lot of independence, and you will be thinking very clearly. And with the 10 of pentacles, I see that this will be something beautiful, because universe is bringing someone who is aligned with you, someone who is, you know, actually the right person for you, with whom you will be actually having generational wealth. You will have beautiful family. See, the 10 of pentacles, it's about generational wealth, legacy. So you will build your life with someone who will value you, someone who will value your emotions, who will not keep you hanging, someone who will treat you the way you deserve to be treated, right? So this is really, really important. So you might think that that person that you are getting stressed out about is the right person for you, but universe knows better, right? So you have to surrender to the universe and do your thing. So whatever lesson you get, you should just learn from it. And what is most important thing that the universe is trying to teach you right now is find the safe space within yourself and create a routine. So when you create a routine, you will find that safe space. And also I will tell you that, you know, go out for walks. When you go out for walk, then definitely you will experience grounding. Go and sit on the ground. Go and sit on nature. Like, the more you will sit on the nature, you will sit on the ground, it helps in earth, you know, it helps in grounding. And that is really, really beautiful. I see with the justice card, justice is definitely coming for you. Just have a little bit of patience, and if you have the patience and if you have trust in the universe, then you will never be sad, and you will never be scared, because you'll know that all the things that is happening for you is for your highest good, and your life is getting upgraded at a very, very high pace. So if you want to claim this energy, please click on the comment section and write, I claim this positive energy, because energy is always reciprocating, right? If you reciprocate it, then only you claim it. Karma is real, so you have to claim it and you have to reciprocate it by writing there. So write, I claim this message, I claim this positive energy, and then send it to a friend you know who is going through some kind of low phase, who is feeling lost, who is not able to get up from the bed, and who's not understanding why are these things happening. See, recognitions are going to come towards you with the Six of Wands. Lot of recognition you will be receiving that. You will have lots of travel coming up in the future. So don't feel that you are stuck. Right now it's just a mental state. See, the universe reciprocates whatever you think. So if you think you are stuck, you're going to get stuck. So you're not supposed to be thinking you are sad, like you are lonely, you are stuck, you are not lucky, this and that. You should be thinking just the opposite, which is you are free, your things are working out for you, you are loved, and the right person will love you even more than you love them. Like, I love the person I love loves me more. Use those affirmations, and please hit the like button if this has been helpful for you, and connect with me whenever you want to. If you want a reading from me, then you can definitely book your own reading also. This was a collective message, so it might resonate with you and it might not. So if it has not resonated, then it was not meant for you. I see 11:11 on my clock, and if it does, then definitely there was a beautiful message just meant for you. Okay, sending you a lot of love and light. Please take care. Bye. And this message was by me, Angelica, and powered by Starly. Starly is an intuitive app where you can go daily and just check with your own emotions and find out so much. There's so much to find about your own self, about your loved one, about your partner, that you'll fall absolutely in love with it. And I am absolutely in love with Starly, so it is coming up soon. So definitely go and check out Starly. Okay, bye.